Hey everybody, hey, it's Rick Silva, man. I'm excited to do this video. I've been waiting a few months for this, so I purchased all these tools and I can't use them, obviously, until I shoot a video, so I gotta shoot the video so I can start using these, especially these, because I need to start refurbishing dozens of ratchets. So we have KNIPEX, VIM Tools, Vampire Tools, and I'm actually gonna start with the Vampire and just go over what I've purchased recently. All of this was purchased on Amazon. Links below for everything that's here. If you buy anything, I'll get a small commission, blah, blah, blah. Did a lot of research on these tools before I bought them. Again, I'm gonna start with the Vampire Tools Shears because I'm gonna need to open up some of these. So we have the VT-011 Vampire Tools, box cutter, flat blades, micro serrations, wire cutter, all in one. It's the super combo scissors. And there's all the different things it can do on the back. Front cutting, rear cutting, light cutting, both hands cutting, rope, cord, insulated cord, wire, carpet, CDs. Wow, you can cut CDs in half, and leather. So it's got a flat blade. It's got micro serrations. It's got a wire cutter. It's got a box cutter. Let's open it up because I need this to open up some of those. So this is the V Shears Super Combo Scissors Vampire Tools. There we go. So let's check the sheath. This is the first time I'm taking the view also. I don't know if there's a proper way to put this on. Let's find out. That's locked in there pretty good. Let's see if it's better this way. It's actually better that way. So here we go. On the swivel, this has a hole. Boom, pops right in. Beautiful. Really light, really light. If this is for a belt loop, no, that's just a protector. This does not look like a belt's gonna go, nope, belt's not gonna go through that at all. So this is just a protector for the blade. Measures, I'm going to show you upside down, 7 inches. Let's check it out. You gotta look really close, but here are the serrated blades right here. Really nice, really light. There you go. So there's your Vampire scissors, which I'm about to use because I think some of these might need it. So let's go to the flush cuts. So here are the KNIPEX flush cuts. The model number is 9K008090. And this is the flush cut set. This is for plastic and soft metal. It's mostly for zip ties. It's the 2-piece. It has the 5-inch. And the 7 1/4 inch, if you can read that. Flush cut, plastic and soft metal, KNIPEX. Links down below. Obviously, KNIPEX, high quality, made in Germany. Let's use the new scissors to open the KNIPEX package. Let's see how they do. Butter. This is some tough plastic here. So there's the first pair, 720-1140, spring loaded. These are nice. And again, these are the flush cuts. So these are the smaller ones. They're beautiful. Here's the larger pair. 720-1180. Wow, the spring's interesting. I think they use the same exact spring. It just feels stronger, this one, because it's smaller. This one has more leverage. Really nice. There you go, there's the flush cuts. We're gonna use our vampire scissors again, and we're gonna go after VIM Tools. This is an exciting product. I saw a lot of reviews on this, and this has a lot of functions, a lot. Let's see if I can memorize them all when I show them to you. It's RFB 400K, RFB 400K. It's a 1/4 inch, it's a 3-piece, 1/4 inch drive, mini flex bit, socket, speed, ratchet, and it's got a lot of functions. So I may not need my new pliers. Let's see. Are my new scissors? I don't. Here we go. So here are the 3 parts. Here's the mini bit. Here's the multi-use, multi-function extension. It's even flex head. I can't believe it. Wow. It's got a locking flex head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 position locking flex head. Reversible. And I noticed that the handle right there, that's for the T handle, which I'll show you shortly. So here's the different functions. There's a lot of them, and I'm using this for the first time, so bear with me here. So here's a ratchet. Reversing. Let's check the back drag. Not bad at all. So this is one way to use it. Again, let's see if I know all the different ways. That was one. This is two, and by the way, it's got a thumb wheel on it. So this is the second way, putting bits on there or putting your socket adapter, so you can put sockets on it, 1/4 inch drive sockets, or take that out and you're using bits. So here's another way you can use it. Oh, but wait, there's more. So you can obviously put the bit directly in. I keep wanting to put it in this side, but that's the thumb wheel side. So we could do the bits like this. But we can also put a bit in the handle. So if you take a look at it, there's the handle. And if I'm not mistaken, does this pass through? Again, first time I'm using it. Let's see if we line up. I'm pretty sure you can do it like this, and then you have a spinner handle, because you can see that the handle spins. I think that's how it goes. If I'm not doing this correctly, let me know, guys, because I don't see how this passes through. Now we can add more torque by putting it here, and now we've got a super long 1/4 inch wrench. Look at that. Really cool. It can also go in, this can go in here again, and I'm not sure if there's other components to it, but definitely a fast spinning screwdriver. So extension, there it went through. There we go. So let's look at it again. There we have it. There's a very specific way you have to line it up. There it is. There's a notch right here, and that notch has to line up with that white dot. So we have a notch and a white dot. If we put those lined up together, that's how it passes through. There we go. So now we have our spinner. And now I just spun it so the notch does not line up with the white dot. And there it locks. So we have an extension. We have an extension for a bit. Really nice. Or putting this piece in, be a 1/4 inch socket driver. Really nice. I'm excited. I'm going to be using this quite a bit. So there we go. 3-piece locking flex head. VIM Tools RFB 400K. RFB 400K. We have another VIM tool here. It's going to be interesting to see how to open this. This is HBR3. That's a 1/4 inch bit micro ratchet reversible. So this is a little teeny tiny. Let's see if I can get this open. Gonna have to use the new scissors. There we go. Just cut the red safety tab off and there's the wrench. Pretty cool. So again, HBR3 VIM Tools. So this has the 1/4 inch. So that's just, there you go. There's your non-ratcheting direct drive 1/4 inch. And then the other side, if you can hear it, wow. Sounds great. Your ratcheting driver. And it's reversing right there. There you go, 1/4 inch driver, mini driver. And that's the HBR3 VIM Tools. Everything here got on Amazon. All right. I watched so many reviews on this. This is one of the best cutters in the world. This is the KNIPEX CutiX 9010165BK. 9010165BK. The CutiX. We're going to CutiX it open and check it out. And I also got some blades for it. I did do this because I want to use these tools, but I wanted to shoot this video for you guys. So we're going to try to open it up now. You can tell this plastic is serious business. There we go. First time putting my hands on this. Can't wait. So just from watching reviews, this first lever here pushes the blade out. And you can snap the blades off as they get dull. You can see the lines there. And I'm trying very hard to look at you guys on camera and not cut my finger off with this. So this first lever pushes the blade out, but I'm going to bring it back in and I'm going to push it from the bottom switch. So now see that one and then this one. And what this one is a guard. So I'll show you this way. The first blue one here pushes the blade out. But you want to get some added strength. Maybe you need a lot of reach, but you don't need that much of a cutting surface. You can run the guard out, which strengthens the blade. Really freaking cool. Unbelievable. So again, this one's the guard. This one's a blank. It's hard to do it this way because it's backwards on my camera, but this one's for the blade. This one's for the guard. Really cool. Very, very happy with this. I knew I would be. KNIPEX makes some of the best tools in the world. If I'm not mistaken, back here, let's see, do I push this? Never used this before, learning as we go, everybody. There we go, you just pull on it. And there's an extra blade. 2 extra blades, there are 2 blades in there. So this just goes right here, just like that. Pops right in. Beautiful. First one, just use as a regular old cutting blade. Second button brings out the guard, where Rick's not looking to cut his hand off, to strengthen the blade. If you're cutting through some deep foam, you need to get down in there, you can bring that guard in there to help strengthen the blade. Hopefully it's focusing okay. All right, very nice, very cool. In fact, I'm not going to open this because now we know what it is. These are the blades. This got extra blades. This is KNIPEX 9010165BK. Oh, it's got the same number as the knife. So the knife is 9010165BK. And these are replacement blades for the 9010165BK. What is the model number of this? Last one. Very exciting also because I need these to refurbish my ratchets. So let me show you real quick what I'm talking about. So this is I have the larger one over there. This is where I keep items I'm looking to sell on eBay. There's an incomplete set of, I believe those are all metric. Nope, those are SAE. That's an SAE set. Bunch of extensions I need to take a look at. More sockets. Here are the ratchets. So mostly Craftsman and Bonnie in there. That's a Her brand. Just more wrenches, more ratchet wrenches, I should say. More ratchet wrenches. SK, Proto, Snap-on, Thorson. So all of these were purchased at estate sales. Hey everyone, hey, I just did a whole entire unboxing, not realizing that when I showed you guys my tool case, I accidentally turned off the recording. So let me back up and show you. This is what I purchased to help me rebuild those ratchet wrenches. 002004SB, 002004SB. KNIPEX made in Germany. On the back, precision circuit pliers, heavy duty, reliable, inserted tips made of spring steel, 10 times stronger compared to turned tips, large face, blah, 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 non-slip plastic coat. Let's take a look. So here's the first one. Says right there, KNIPEX. I've already done this. I'm replaying it because the recording ones are going. KNIPEX on both sides. Spring loaded. This is a 4911A1, 4911A1. This is 4921A11, 4921A11. Straight. Bent. These are really nice, these grips. I like these grips. They've kind of got a texture on them, really nice. These are all gonna go in their own spot. These aren't gonna stay in here. Next one is, by the way, 10 to 25 millimeter. It says it right there. It lets you know it's 10 to 25 millimeter. This one is 12 to 25 millimeter. This is 4811J1, 4811J1, non-spring loaded. 12 to 25 millimeter, non-spring loaded. Really nice. Non-replaceable tips. But this is KNIPEX, baby. 4821J11, 4821J11, 12 to 25 millimeter. That's the bent tip, non-spring loaded. This is 4811J2, 4811J2. KNIPEX, obviously 19 to 60 millimeter, made in Germany. Beautiful. You can feel the quality just holding it in your hand. Non-spring loaded. One below it is 4821J21, 4821J21, 19 to 60 millimeter. Same thing, bent tip, bent tip. KNIPEX, beauty. Oh, cool. Same like this. The small ones, spring-loaded, non-spring-loaded. Large ones, non-spring-loaded. Spring-loaded. 4911A2. And also internal, external. Or however you call the motion. I just call it internal, external. 4911A2, 4911A2. 19 to 60 millimeter, 19 to 60 millimeter. Last one, 4921A21, 4921A21, 19 to 60 millimeter, made in Germany. Spring loaded. They feel great. I love this handle. And I'll show you where these are going to ultimately end up in my plier drawer. I'll show you my plier drawer real quick. Hey everybody, so I'm not doing a tool haul. I'm sorry. I'm not doing a tool box. Okay, so I'm not doing a toolbox tour, but this is all my KNIPEX right here. And then I have a whole bunch of other pliers, and that set right there that I just showed you, including the flush cuts right there, are all gonna go here, which I don't know how well you can see. They're all gonna go here, facing their KNIPEX buddies right there. All right, guys. Hey, I'll hold the camera. I'll hold the camera for this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Links to all of those different pliers, the flush cuts, the scissors, everything, all the links. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. The links to the snap ring pliers, the flush cuts, the scissors, the VIM Tools, 1/4 inch drivers, a micro driver, everything is down below. Got everything at Amazon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.